Hello everyone, this is Cody with Komplet America. We are here today with the K-JC704 jaw crusher, and we are going to demonstrate how to turn on the machine and move the tracks using the remote controller. Please review and follow all safety and maintenance procedures outlined in the user's manual prior to operating any Komplet machinery. To start, we are going to pull and twist the emergency stop buttons on the machine and remote controller to make sure they are not pushed in. Next, we are going to turn the ignition key to the right so the user interface screen turns on. Once the screen is on and you can see the Komplet logo, you can turn the key all the way to start the engine. If this is the first time you are starting the machine for the day, then be sure to let it warm up and idle for 10 minutes. The default screen that is shown is the main menu that you will need to back out of by pressing the lower left side button. And on this screen, make sure the remote controller icon has a green check mark. Now press the green button on the right side of the remote controller for 1 second and let go. The green light will start to flash quickly. Tap the green button once more and you will see the green light flash slower. The remote controller is now connected. Once you are connected, press the engine icon button on the lower left side of the screen to access the main menu again. Turn the throttle up between 1700 and 2000 RPMs by pressing the middle button on the right side of the screen next to the rabbit icon. To change the track speed between fast and slow, press the lower right side button labeled OPT once so you see the rabbit and turtle icons on tracks. Please note, if you need to turn the machine 180 or 360 degrees, you will need to be in turtle. Finally, to move the tracks, use the left and right joysticks on the remote controller to control each track separately. This concludes our demonstration on how to move the K-JC704. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at www.kompletamerica.com or call us at 908-369-3340.